Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the question in the Brainly app. First you open up the app, and here in the middle, in the home screen, we have ask a question. Here we have three options for asking a question. One is the left one, which is a keyboard, which means that we can type in the question. The middle one is a camera, so we can take a picture of the question and then ask it that way. Or we have a microphone here, which means that we can speak the question and then submit it that way. Also, we have Math Solver here, which we can use by tapping on this, and then it's going to open up our camera and we can take a picture of the math problem that we have, and it's going to help us solve it. Or we can just give an answer, which redirects us to this menu. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.